Yes, I hope I'm clear. Good evening. It's 10:40 p.m. East African time, and it's on a Tuesday, almost the mid of the week. And I wanted to do just quick review on gold and what's happening or what has been happening this week. And I'll just comment on basically gold has been bullish now for almost for a very long time. Yeah, this run, bullish run has been an insane, but recently we had a very sharp drop. I think it's one of the sharpest drops since last year. So today gold made a very last week gold made a very sharp drop, and we are currently trading or consolidating within that range. It's still bullish on according to the market structure because when you see this rush is just basically a high created, then a higher low created, meaning a low which is higher above this low. So basically we are still in a bullish market structure if you want to look at it that way. But we are basically trading within the range of this drop, the range of this last week drop. I'm having problems with my connection. So we are basically still trading within the range of this drop, last week drop, which was on Friday. So I'll be fast. So when you look at the daily time frame, I want to say that we are in some kind of a range. So yesterday the market tried to buy, but this move was Monday the market tried to buy, but it failed to break this high, so it ended up consolidating. And I just want to be quick. What we are looking on good right now is that we are in a range. We are in some kind of range. We are in some kind of range, and I want to be just quick and look and try to forecast the market for tomorrow's session. So I love candle range theory. I love candle range theory, and when I look at these candles, most of the candles, the highs have been swept, and I'll be focusing specifically on these. My connection really drops. So I'm focusing on this flower candle, which was um, created today, Asian session, or basically this was basically the Asian eyes. So during the market today swept those highs, and we still have those lows very hanging, or as people would like to call it, sell side liquidity. It has not been tapped. The highs have been swept and not tapped. When you go at the lower time frames, like 1 hour, you will see that, of course, with the candle ranges, you have to pair with the market structure. So, as much as we are trading bearish candle ranges, we want to also have some kind of bearish market structure to support that bias. And I'm trying to load the 1 hour time frame for that. So when you see basically this was an attempt yesterday for by the market to buy, and then this drop today. So we have some kind of inversion. We have some kind of inversion here, and when you look at the high of this candle, this were basically the market reversed today during the New York session. So we also had that reversal, that sharp reversal when you go at the 15-minute time frame. We have that inversion during today New York session. So the market attempted to buy, then an inversion. So we have the market now trying to retest or trying to test these premium areas before a push downwards toward the low which we had talked about, this low. And basically, this was today's Asian low, and this should be the first target. And probably the market can still sweep this low and retest this gap which was created on Monday. So, if we are looking for a setup tomorrow, so we are basically waiting for the market to hit some premium levels here, then look at some kind of market structure shift on the lower time frames, and then we can go downwards to clear this sell side before, because I'm expecting the market to mark do something like that. Then we try to push, then we continue now higher for more premium prices, because I have this zone. These highs also which are created is a good drawn liquidity for the price. So if the market tomorrow Asian session trades to this zone, I'll be expecting a drop downwards, and then probably a consolidation around this zone. Then New York will pick up, and then we continue higher. So that is basically what I'm expecting on gold. This high is still a very good place for price to go to, and so I'm expecting. So what I'm expecting is basically something like this. I'm expecting a price to drop like this, then London, then New York or London will basically see continuation upwards. So basically, that's my forecast on gold. But of course, these things you have to trade them with confirmations. So, but we are in a bearish market structure currently. We are bearish, and these laws must or ought to be tapped, in my view. So that's basically what I'm thinking on gold. Um, Please share your analysis too.